It's been more than 372 days at Jantar Mantar where the Congress MPs and other leaders have been protesting in the solidarity with the farmers who are protesting at the border. And today we are seeing that their celebrations are breaking here at Jantar Mantar. Congress's Deputy Leader in Lok Sabha, Gaurav Gogoi, is also present here. And we can see as to how the shawls and the saropas and the flowers are being given to these leaders and people who are protesting here. And this is the celebration time is what the Congress MPs are saying. They are saying that we have been protesting in solidarity with all the farmers who were there protesting at the borders, and today when they are going to finish off their dharna, they are saying that they want to send a message that the war is not over. Sir, आप कह रहे हैं कि war अभी over नहीं है. Well, you can see that the celebrations are breaking here at the moment. We'll try to get in a word. Sir, आपने कहा कि war अभी over नहीं है. You're saying that the war is still not over.
See, government has given made some promises in writing with the farm unions. So now our fight starts to get those implemented. Those promises need to be fulfilled. We won't let government sit quietly or forget them. We will go on taking up this issue until and unless all those promises see the light of the day.
Well, आप लोग आज यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं और धरना भी अपना ख़त्म कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल, धरना तो आज हमने वादा किया था कि जब भी किसान संयुक्त मोर्चे के एक दिन बाद हम ये धरना समाप्त करेंगे, तो हमें अब खुशी हो रही है कि वो जीत पाए. लेकिन जो 700 किसान की डेथ हुई उसका हमारे मन में खेद है कि उनके दुख में भी हम शामिल हैं. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ आज सारा पंजाब और देश खुशी मना रहा है.
Well, also present here is Mr. Gaurav Gogoi and other leaders who are, you can see that they are celebrating at the moment, and they are saying that today they all will be leaving this place. But as the Congress MPs are saying that the war is still going on, they will ensure that other demands of the farmers are met by the government, and that these demands are also fulfilled, and they will come back here. You can see that how the MPs are celebrating here, and they are celebrating the laddus, mithais, along with the saropas, and the shawls are being given. You can see that sweets are being distributed here at Jantar Mantar. At this very place, it was Congress's former President Rahul Gandhi along with the Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi who had come here and had also joined this protest. Day in and day out, we have been seeing a lot of Congress leaders and opposition leaders who came here at this place, which is just 2 kilometers away from the parliament, and they were sitting here and protesting 372 days. The Congress MPs from Punjab along with other party leaders had gathered here, and they ensured that the protest keeps on going day in and day out. We have seen as to how these MPs were continuously demanding that they should be allowed from here to the parliament and stage a protest in solidarity with the farmers who are protesting at the borders. And today this entire protest had been called off. The sweets are being distributed, the flower garlands are being exchanged, and the saropas are also being given. We can see the scenes and the situation here at Jantar Mantar. With these very shots, we would like to wind up from here, from Jantar Mantar, with journalist Mridul Bharadwaj for India Today in Delhi.